Okay guys, so here's that deal motor disassembled. Here's your internal centrifugal start switch, and looks like the main problem, making the bearings not a problem, but the problem I see here is where it's so worn back in here. This is a smaller diameter back in here than it is out here. This is the diameter the shaft was when new, and it's no problem out here. This is fine, but this is bigger. This is bigger, and so it's worn down smaller back here. So we're going to have to build this back up. I may have to turn this whole area down, turn it down to just below this worn area, and machine, make a sleeve and press a sleeve on here, and then turn it back down and end up at this diameter here. So we'll see what happens. Y'all stay tuned. Okay guys, this is that R&M shaft, and we've got so much wear down in here. I think the best thing to do is I'm going to take and I've got this indicated in on the lathe, and I'm going to turn a little bit off of this shaft from down here all the way down the length of this shaft to this shoulder right here, and I'll press a sleeve on so we can get this diameter back up to where it needs to be. And so I don't want my sleeve to be so paper thin. I'm going to take probably about 40 thousandths off of this diameter right here, get it all back down smooth again, and I'll press that sleeve on here. It'll be a press fit, and then I'll machine the sleeve back down to 375, which is what this ought to be. The full length here ought to be 0.375. So that's what I'm going to do next. Okay, so here's the shaft after I've turned it down some, and you can see I didn't even get down quite as far as to get to the bottom of the keyway for the blade set screw. So, but I've got a good finish here, and I've got the sleeve made, and I'm about to press the sleeve on it now. So, out of focus. All right, here we go. Okay, so here I've got the new sleeve pressed on, and I just cut the keyway for the set screw. So nice looking surface finish on the shaft right there. So tomorrow's Sunday, Monday, we'll get to work on making the new bearing. All right.